how to jump cut in Kdenlive. Let's do that right now. Okay, how to jump cut and move the playhead up here. How to jump cut in there and there. Drag, and you can also drag and drop right here. No profile for any clip. Continue. Exit out there. You move that. Cool. That's fader. Right. Mute that. Play that. X tool for razor tool. Right there. Right. Get it like right on the video. And right here. Use that. Right click. Split video. Save. Change. Insert. Let's say ungroup. No. Alright. Cut clip. No. Delete selected item. Go back. Go back to the playhead and play it. I don't know why it's going wonky, but I don't know why it detached, but here it is. And that's how you jump cut. Play that again. And that's how you jump cut in Kdenlive. I don't know why the playhead's doing that, but by the way, that's how you jump cut in Kdenlive. Make sure. See you guys in the next tutorial.